Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's what I've been waiting for a while. No, this is not my truck. This here is Max Flurer, aka Panda, Team Yokomo factory driver, Max Flurer. It's kind enough to let me video inside his truck. He just got this built, freshly built. So here we go. But hey, that's what we got. Max has got the BK servo, J concept on the side, Yokomo hobby wing, Beach RC, and he's got FDJ Motorsports, which is tire sauce he used. He's starting off, he's got 1.617 pistons, and he's running 35-30 oil. 30 in the back, 35 up front. He's running kit setup, like he built this kit straight out of the box. He's got his spindles. What the kit set look like. Alright, starting up front, he's got the kit steering rack. They say it's like a carbon fiber composite material. Kit steering horn. He's got his BK servo, which he always run. That's one of his sponsors. Hobby Wing XR10 speed control ESC. He's running a ProTech 6100 milliamp battery. Alright, this battery system Max is a big fan of. He said that with this system here allows the chassis to flex. Very accurate. Look for a lot of manufacturers to copy. Hobby Wing motor 6.5. Axles here are 9.0. Kit steering block. Like I said, this is a freshly built kit. See what else he's got. Kit chassis brace. I like Yokomo's new bottom shock mount system with the lines. Get you accurate, precise to insert. Look for a lot of people to copy this. There's his rear hubs. There's the kit rear hubs, and he wanted to build this kit like straight out of the box and just test it and make changes the way it goes instead of just putting a bunch of hop-up parts on there. And I mean, he could if he wanted to. He's a Yokomo factory driver, but he preferred to build this one stock, and this is how he's gonna test it at Beach RC at Masters of Dirt. The hub, or not hub, the hexes is a 8.0 hex. Dog bone is an 89 millimeter Yokomo dog bone. You can mount the shocks you can mount the rear shocks on the back or the front, and they've got their new lower shock mount insert system, which looks awesome. Aluminum C and D block. Let's see where he's got his pills here. Center on the rear. And center up front on the pills. His inner ball stud here. Let's see where he's got that. He's got that about 2. There's a slipper plate. There's the new insert system. But yeah, I really appreciate Max letting me video in this. My camera's acting wonka, so I've done videoed this like 5 or 10 times. But yeah, uses the wireless receiver. Here's the chassis stiffener. And then servo mounts, stock. But yeah, guys, this is Yokomo YZ-2 truck. Like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, ask questions down below. You can get at me on Facebook or Instagram, RC Vitals. But yeah, here's the shock caps. Say everything's stock on this. They even notched the shock collars. It's alright. Front ball stud mount. There's a sway bar hole for the front. And they got the sway bar hole for the rear right there. It's got a bearing hole right there. Maybe you can mount the slipper on the other side or something. I don't know. I don't know what this there for. But yeah, truck just feels good in my hands. Feels balanced. Different material from the T6.1. Totally different material. Quality. Like it's like a composite graphite, carbon fiber, whatever, composite, but it just feels, the materials just feel different. Is this my next truck? I don't know. Don't know. But I will be ordering my truck, like I said, from beachrc.com or BeachRC. That is where I'll be getting my truck. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Like I said, comment down below. Maybe I can pass it on to Max. Oh, there's the rear body mount. Sorry about that. Let's look at that rear body mount system. And here's how the front body mount system looks. Shock bleeders. Oh, okay. There's the shock bleeder screws. But anyway, guys, thank you. I'll see y'all guys at the track. Well, let's see if I can get the back of the motor plate. Like I said, my camera is acting wonky. I might have to get a new camera. But yeah, this is the Yokomo YZ-2. Oh, let me get the rear spoiler, how the rear spoiler is mounted. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in.